in this step, we're just going to cover up Pico. So you can pull the cloth over onto the side, and then pull it over. So you're going to hook the cloth onto these screws. You'll notice that there are these white markings on the upper edge of the cloth, and these essentially tell you where the holes in the cloth are. And those holes are what you're going to hook on to each of these screws. So just hook it on and go around in a circle till you've hooked it on to each of those screws. You can use those white markings as a guide to let you know where the holes in the cloth are. And now Pico is all dressed up. You'll notice that the seam, like we had decided, was at the back side from where the 12-volt DC connector will go in, leaving the front side nice and clean.